Another day, another drama. Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jackie. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you had an amazing weekend and you are going to have an amazing week. So we are going to be talking about Umusa Mseleku accidentally revealing the baby's gender. Remember, wife number 5 ubenomntwana. So people were speculating whether it's a boy or a girl. Njengoba bekazakala ukuthi Umusa Mseleku ubefuna abafana ukwandisa abafana since esenamantombazane amaningi. So people are saying, how do we know the gender of the baby? Okay, so in a video posted to Instagram where they were talking about the girl child, my girl child, right? Umusa Mseleku had something to say, and that clip led to people speculating igender yomntwana.
Konje manje ke kuzikhona nje ingane entombazane encane manje kuzothina ke kuyiqabule esikhathini manje.
Wena njengendoda yini eyenzeka kuwena mogone ingane encane? Because wena siqala kuwena, hayi ukuthi kuzothiwa angithi amadoda asonele bonke labantu. Kanti manje kuba amadoda akasonelile. Yabo mina nginengane ezu7 zamantombazane. Fanele ngiyithande. Kusho ukuthi izothanda ubani mangabe ngingazithandi. Yabo kodwa kunogcopho ukuthi kuzosolakala ukuthi yazi ngathi seyithanda kakhulu Mseleku lengane. Sekunenkingi. Yenziwa indoda leyo.
Yenziwa indoda.
Uma ngabe indoda ingayenzanga leyo nto.
So after this clip was circulating, people started speculating that it's a boy. Ingani bethi ngumfana, because they went to as far as listing abantwana abangamantombazane, and it turns out bangu7 excluding uSamke. Mtase, Musne, Mpilo, Abo, Owami, Owanzi, Zi, no, Mawane. Okay, so abanye basikhona na maybe the baby is too, usesemncane, like ukuthi abesakhuluma ngaye, but like indlela abejabule ngayo ukuthi uzoba umntwana. So we cannot ignore that fact as well. So people are saying, okay, then it is confirmed ngumfana. Well, you guys tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Listening aloko, do you agree it's a boy? I mean, do we all agree it's a boy? Or those are just speculations? Let's just wait for the official gender reveal. Anyways, moving on, wife number 5 uthi yena angeke anakekele uMr Mseleku mayegula, like she did not sign up for this ukuzogcina umuntu ogulayo. And people went down on her, especially ku social media, bethi wena bawazi ukuthi uchata lekhehla, ngakho ke nila ama-pills akhe njengoba ecela. So what do you guys think about this situation as well? Or I mean, I'm like bazamncedisa sister wife wakhe, but not saying that uzagula. I mean, even the 5th wife was saying she hopes he recovers, because hayi yena lokho gcinana labantu abagulayo akusikho akulandayo lapha emshadweni wakhe indaba engaka. Anyways, I mean, they can also get a nurse aid, since yena yalithi hayi yena kalandanga kuzoba ngu-nurse aid lapha. These people are rich bale reality TV, so it means the checks are coming in, so they could like get a nurse assistant just in case engagula, but like he's recovering, so I guess yambona. Anyways, tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Stay tuned for the next video. You know what you do, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.